Good morning friends. Today we will discuss about symmetry. What is symmetry and what are the examples of symmetry in daily life, in nature and in geometrical figures, and how can we use symmetry in our daily life. First of all, geometry is a geometrical concept in which figures has line of symmetry. That means a figure which can be cut by a line into two equal parts or more than two parts which are totally equal, and one part, if you fold the figure, one part coincide to the other one. For the example, we can see in this figure, this is a rectangle, and for the line of symmetry, we have to divide it into two equal parts. According to length, I divide it into two equal parts. This line is divided it into two equal parts. This line is called line of symmetry. And after dividing, it cut into two equal half parts, first and second. If we fold it, then we see first part coincide the second part. That means first part covered second part totally. And if we fold it according to the breadth, now we have two halves, first and second, and if we fold it, then we see first part coincide the second part. We can see no other part is left which is uncovered by the first part. Yes, for the example, if we have a leaf like that, it can be cut by this symmetry of lines. This line is divided into two parts called line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. This line divides the leaves into two equal halves, first and second. If we fold the leaf, then first part coincides the second part, and if we fold from the leaf like that, that means first part covered by the second part totally. That is called the symmetry. Now we have a butterfly. In nature, we can see much more butterflies, and if we cut it into two equal parts by a symmetry line like that. If we cut it into two equal halves by a line, then this line is called line of symmetry because it cut into two equal parts, first and second. Can we cut it like that into two equal halves? No, because if we fold it, then it does not cover the second part. If the first part is this one and second part is this one, if we fold, then it does not cover second part by one or one by second. Now we have geometrical figures, rectangle and quadrilateral. Triangle and quadrilateral. This one is a triangle, and if we cut it into two equal halves like this, 1 and 2, then it has one symmetry line. In this quadrilateral, we can cut it into two equal halves like that. This one is the line of symmetry. So we can say it has one line of symmetry. It has also one line of symmetry in triangle. Now, in the alphabets A, B, C, D, etc., we can see that A has one line of symmetry because we can cut it into two equal halves like that. In B, we can cut it like that. In C, it has also one line of symmetry like that. In D, yes, like that. We can cut it into two equal parts. In alphabet, we have many more examples who has more than one line of symmetry, like that. It has two lines of symmetry. We can cut it into two equal halves like that and like that. So it has two lines of symmetry. Similarly, O, it has two lines of symmetry, one and two. Now we have alphabet P. It has no line of symmetry because we can't cut it into two equal halves. If we cut it like that, then if we fold, it has no line of symmetry because this part does not cover the second part. So P has no line of symmetry. That means if the object who has no line of symmetry called asymmetric. Asymmetric objects. Okay, thank you students.